Wednesday starts with W. Wednesday starts with W. Let's all do the W. Wah, 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 wah.
Be quick with it, you scalawags. Open all the sails and bring me a chocolate milk to wet me lips. And fetch me spyglass. Today we sail off in search of booty. Hey, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday to ya.
Happy Wednesday. Did you like that start? That voice is silly, right? The picture that you saw, the sailboat, is actually a picture in my bathroom. Beautiful, right? Makes me think of the sea. And today I want you to draw me a picture of a boat out on the ocean. Some kind of boat, whatever boat you want. And I want you to label the boat. Did you know the front of the boat is called the bow and the back of the boat is called the stern? Can you make sure you label that on your boat? Thank you.
Thank ye.
All right, let's get into it today. We got some math, some Think Fast, we got a science experiment, and you got a special guest. So let's dive in right now. Math time.
Lift off and the clock has started.
Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. It's think fast, think fast, think fast, think fast. Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. It's think fast, think fast, think fast, think fast. Shapes with tiny breaks. Here come the shapes. Science! Today's science experiment is one of my favorites. We're gonna make Oobleck. That's right, Oobleck. Oobleck gets its name from the Dr. Seuss book, Bartholomew and the Oobleck. It's about this gooey green substance called Oobleck that falls from the sky. So I've chosen green food coloring to go along with the book. But it's so simple. Here's all you need. Cornstarch, 1 cup of water, a bowl to mix it in, and food coloring to give it some color. This is not needed. You don't have to have the food coloring. The cornstarch in the water by itself will still be a lot of fun to explore. Take your bowl, pour in 1 cup of water. Then mix in 1.5 cups of the cornstarch. After you get in a cup of the cornstarch, start really mixing it in and adding it slowly after that, up to that 1.5 cups. If you're gonna use food coloring, this is the time to add it. You'll find that if you get the mix right, it'll feel like something you probably never felt before. You have to do it to see what I mean. Have fun!
It's Miss B again. It's time for Hokey Pokey. So if you're ready, get your dancing shoes on, get some space, and follow along. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Stand up nice and tall. Hands on your body. here we go. Pull one foot in, one foot out, one foot in, and we tap, tap, tap. Put it back together and turn around. That's what it's all about. Plie. Other foot in, other foot out, other foot in, and we tap, tap, tap. Put it back together, turn around. That's what it's all about. Plie. Arms in front, bend all the way up. Open to the side, hands to your body. Plie and jump. Again, plie and jump. One more time. Arms in front, all the way up. Open to the side, back to your body. Plie and jump. One more time. Plie and jump. Okay, a little different. Arms in front, open to the side, back to your body. Plie, jump, open. And close again. Jump, open. And close again. Arms in front, open to the side, back to your body. Plie, jump, open. And close. Jump, open. And close. Last time. Arms in front, open to the side. One hand in front, one hand behind. We bow, come up and switch. Bow, come up. Last time, arms in front, open to the side. One hand in front, one hand behind. Bow, come up and switch. Bow, come up. Yay! Well, I hope you had fun doing the Hokey Pokey with me today. I'll come back next week with a new activity for you. Have a good one.
That's the video for today, boys and girls. Hope you have fun doing the activities. Make sure you submit the work later. If you don't,
I'll make you walk the plank.